Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the basics right. Make sure the app and system sliders are at full and choose the correct output device so signal isn't being routed wrong. Once done, switch from Bluetooth to a wired aux or USB if available. Wired gives more consistent amplitude. Also check physical volume knobs on speakers or headphones. Even one small click can double perceived loudness. Make sure no mute is active and that cables are firmly seated so you're boosting a clean signal. Now you move into software. Open your audio driver panel or media player and increase the preamp or gain in small increments, about 3 decibels at a time, so you avoid clipping. Use an equalizer to emphasize lower mids for body and upper mids for clarity. Boosting 100 to 500 Hz and a touch at 2 to 6 kHz adds perceived loudness. Once adjusted, enable any manufacturer enhancements or loudness normalization, and make sure drivers and the player are up to date for stable, louder output. Finish by matching hardware to your goal. If the device can't get loud, add a powered speaker, external amplifier, or a DAC with higher output. These provide clean headroom. Once done, test at moderate levels and then increase. That prevents distortion. If things go wrong, look for clipping indicators, swap cables, and reset audio settings to defaults before reapplying gains. If distortion persists, reduce digital gain and instead lift hardware volume or choose speakers with higher sensitivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.